Opolo eye no be open eye. Una fit guess who make that statement? Ah, yes, Oritsefemi. Destiny Etiko brother. No be biological brother, you understand, but they be brothers in a what is it they call that is swearing association. Femi don't join swearing association of Nigeria. Married man wey im wife come outside come dey tell us say she been go work, so as she come back from work, I no know who tell her, my people, I no know, but according to her, im come dey talk say e dey look for the woman wey come sleep for im matrimonial bed with her husband. This matter serious o. E come dey swear, e come dey insult people, and now we come dey look for the girl. So now no be there the matter come end o. As the woman come talk, na so Oritsefemi come outside. He come dey deny the fact say he no sleep with person, and according to am, make I quote am according to im own English, you understand? Him talk say, if I ever had sex yesterday with anybody, let me die untimely. Hey, una see say na the swear committee don join. Everybody now dey come outside dey swear, point finger at person, dey go come outside come swear. Una no dey fear o, una no dey fear, una just like dey play with una life. Ngwanu, continue to dey swear, continue. I no know wetin swear don enter una body, I no know wetin don. Hey, assuming swear dey work, Buhari government for don, in fact, we for don remove them since, we for don they for don end, we for don terminate them. I swear, this one, that every day una dey swear, every day. Na so people dey take die, but una no know. Na so people dey take die. Tomorrow now, when we don hear news, Oritsefemi has gone, we go come dey wonder say, which crime im commit, which una no know say na. See, our tongue is powerful. I know why I dey laugh. Our tongue is powerful. Now people dey swear without fear. I wish say na one of those days. Una remember those days when as you talk something, na so e dey happen straight. If na the period wey we dey now, you go see how people go dey mind the way they dey swear. But they don't try am. This one swear, nothing happened to am. Another person can say, since nothing happened to this one, make me too swear. Now like that. Because nothing dey happen, everybody don't dey swear. You know, well, here we go dey. Me, wetin concern me? Tomorrow, if you like, you die. Tomorrow, if you like, you no die. But the fact say you no die tomorrow, no mean say no be true. Because I know they trust all these people. I know they trust una. So forget that one. Why una no fit just live una life peaceful? Like, I don't know, men especially. Why una no fit just say, okay, I go just get one woman, I beg. For the fact say I say men, no mean say women, because una own too the worst. You understand? But make una just decide, say, okay, from now on, make I just dey. See, now only this apple I want to chop. No, they eat apple, then you go they look for pineapple, they look for banana. Waiting. Una no say cheating dey expensive. Hey, una no know. As you dey buy bone straight for one, you go dey buy for another one. As you dey buy slippers for one, you dey buy. You know fit just dey. Why? Una just like this overspend money. And funny enough, now the wife sef, the real woman, na even dey suffer pass the person. But the normal day no be so it's supposed to be. Your main wife, like your wife, your woman, now she even supposed to enjoy. But nowadays, nowadays the wife, because now old cargo now don't see and finish. Now the one way dey outside, now go they throw away the money. No go better for some people. Make I not just start that angle now. Because if you know me, if I enter there now, another gear we go start. The thing now, make I even go back to this boy statement. Because he get something fishy for that place. He say, if I ever had sex yesterday, my brother, why yesterday? Now be say you had sex day before yesterday, but yesterday you know. Why you not say, if I have ever cheated on my wife, let me die? Why you not swear that kind swear? You say yesterday. Now be say all other days they are. You understand? Women, we dey try, oh. Hey, women, they try, forget. See, anybody we know say be woman, if you know say you be woman, just start a clap for yourself. You understand? It's not easy to be a woman. Forget that thing when they talk. It's not easy to be a man. It's not be only work when they work. I beg you, Swearing Association of Nigeria. Hey, now they increase. No say before na Regina Daniels. He can enter. After he Destiny, he can enter. That one even join her mama inside the sweat. So now Destiny call the mama. And now Oritsefemi don't join. You understand? So we dey no worry, we dey pile am up for all of them. Now like that. Very soon result go come outside. No be now here we dey. Result go still come outside. You understand? You know say you sleep with person. You come outside dey swear. You come outside on top matrimonial bed. Even if you even want cheat, you no go outside. May you know say okay, you go far. And some girls say una too stupid, una no even dey value una self, no respect for una own self. How you go meet married man for him house? And una dey plan to marry, abi? We dey here. By the time we start the gbadura on top una head, fire prayer, you go dey wonder where the demons dey come from. Wait. No, just relax. Continue. The gaps, you still get time. Continue to enjoy. You understand? Yes. Now here we dey. When this thing hit una, e be like say this thing as I dey talk am every day, you don't dey turn to song for una ear. Una no wan hear word. Continue. Now here we go dey when e shele. All these things wey dey happen. Now the thing wey dey happen when una dey rush inside marriage. See person like Oritsefemi, una see am finish, una think say this man na person wey una fit settle down with. E get men wey once you see them, you suppose know. See, you no need vision, you no need prayer. Some men, once you see them, you know say, this one na player. This one na. You suppose know. Oh, people, I beg. Any other update from the wife? You know, say the wife don't talk, or Oritsefemi now can't give us this one. So any other one now for here, you go still get them. Now why? All of una we never subscribe. Start the click on that thing fast. In fact, triple click and save. You understand? Make you just dey go. You understand? So that you no go dey miss any notification where we get here for you. Una no say I dey here for now because of una dey here. I love you guys. Drop your comments as usual, and I go reply una one by one. I go see you later. My people, girls fight no dey finish, oh. Now so I see this one. If una see fight, all because of man. They say the girlfriend, like they be two friends. And so one day I tackle the other one, say, you, why you go tell my boyfriend say I dey cheat? Or more. Before you know it, I just hear wah. They just sound that one ear. Because they shout, my head. I mean, my people, no be, see, I don't want just they talk this thing, they laugh at myself. Now why I bring this video? Because I want make una watch all the, una don't see Zongo girls they fight before. Now I bring for now. Because join me, make we watch the video.
That one you wrong.
Papa, what did make you tell my boyfriend? Your boyfriend let chat me up. Your boyfriend they tell you that me they oh my head. I want to see me. I said, come on, hey, I said, come on. Mama, please. I said, come on.
Almost a slap. Chai! That one even they shout, my head. Your head, when you go do amebo, you don't know say your head is there. Hi, Charlie. Everybody they think of money. Some people they think of corona. Some people they think of people who don't die. Some other people their own are to fight for man. I'm not just my people. This 2021, leave them. 2021 I follow come with problems. That girl want if your boyfriend, my sister, she they set the foundation. You understand? She even tell say now your boyfriend chat me up. Now your boyfriend chat me up. You even boss, you they talk. Gundus get power, Gundus. See how they want break their head because of man. Chai. No. See, why you go snitch on your fellow girl? Why? If you get girl, wey be your friend, and you see say this girl wey no clean, no pure, maybe the guy dey try, na why you dey try help? Talk to your friend, tell her say, babe, the way you dey go, this guy na good guy, you no suppose treat am like that. Advise am, e go shock you, she fit even change. You go dey snitch on person, you go dey talk. In the first place, why you even get your boyfriend number? Hey, fear girls, so na so they go do. We are just friends. You are just checking up. Abeg, I fit check on my boyfriend by myself. I no need you to check on my boyfriend. Who tell you say my hand dey pain me? I fit type. I'm just checking on him. I no dey encourage cheating. No. I no dey encourage cheating. No get me wrong. But see, if you allow this guy cause fight between you now, my sister, especially you wey you go carry big mouth, then they talk. See, last, these people they go use you settle. Then last again, you no go get friend, you no go still date the guy where you want fight for. Wetin make you get you better start deleting that boy number. Start deleting that boy number. I no see any reason why. Even if see, my people, forget that thing wey people dey talk say we be friends before. See, even if you and guy be friends before I date am, once I enter that picture, ngwanu, no be say you go delete am, but you go dey mind your step. You understand? You go dey mind that your step. Dey very, very careful. I no dey inside that nonsense. Friends. Go check guy now where they fight for. You go be one zongo. You know these ghetto lovers. One zongo guy where in hair say boxer say we never change for 3 days. Now in these 2 girls the year they fight. People they think of money. If only these 2 girls know how money they important this period, they go even shift that guy one side. Now they fight for man. People they think of money. See, keep your man away from your friends, girls. Una no go understand me now, but later, especially those of you who don't go through this kind of thing, una go understand me. I know say una go relate. Keep your men far from your girlfriends, because some of your girlfriends now the comment be that you feel complete them by yourself. Some of them it go shock you when they don't snatch that one come out. Now there your eye go open. No be everybody where they talk say they be your friend. No be all of them they be your friends. Some of them get another agenda. If you notice, sometimes if they argue with your boyfriend, now your friend go even they tell you, leave him, it's not worth it, leave him. When you leave him, next 2 weeks, now the matter you go to see for internet. You go to do you like dream. I know what they talk about. My people, no be smart thing they happen for this zongo side. Oh, now I say make I bring you now this matter. I bet for now we know any of these girls. Biko, deliver my message. You understand? Deliver this message. Make they focus. Make they look for job, because at this say they very, very jobless. I bet now the matter with this, my people, share this video. Make everybody wait this zone go ghetto lovers. Make they know how they fight for ghetto. You understand? Don't go far. Subscribe if you never subscribe. Very, very important. I will see you now later.